Hello everyone, my name is Sitesh Birur and today's date 15th December 2022. Today we will discuss about the difference between constructor and methods in Java. As we all know, the Java which is strictly follow the object-oriented programming concept, in which there are all variables and a method which must be present in the class. The Java class which contain both the constructor and methods. So before we start the difference between constructor and method, first we discuss about what is constructor and what is method. So first is what is constructor. In Java, constructor which is a block of code which is similar to the method. It is called when the calling which instance of class which create at the timing of calling constructor. The memory of an object which is allocated to the memory location. It is a special types of method which is used to initialize an object. The new keyword which is play the important role of creating instance of class. And next one is what is method, in which the method in Java which is a block of code which is used to perform some particular task, and it reduces the length of code and a repetitive of code. It may or may not have a return value to the caller. By creating an method, we can reuse the code without retyping the code. That's the method. Now we will discuss the difference between constructor and methods. So in constructor which is a block of code which initialize at the timing of creating new object of a class, which is called as constructor. Whereas in method which is a block of code that perform a specific task with or without have any return value to the caller, which is called as method. Second one is in a constructor, it is mainly used for initializing an object, whereas in a method which is used to reuse the code without retyping the code. Then third one is in a constructor there is a new keyword which is play the very most important role for creating an instance of class. In method which called responsible for creating a method. Fourth one is in a constructor, the constructor has a no return type, and it cannot be return any value to the caller. In which in method there has a return type. Then fifth one is the constructor which is name always same as the class name, and in a method we can use any name of the method or any name of method, but it always starts with a lowercase. And last one is thus in a constructor the subclass cannot be inherit the parent class, and whereas in a method the subclass can inherit the parent class. That's the all about difference between constructor and methods in Java. Thank you.